Hey there! Wondering how to use the Conditional Transactions feature on the iTrustCapital software platform? Here's a walkthrough to get you started. From your account homepage, click on the Place Conditional Transaction tab and select the digital asset you'd like to set your conditional transaction for. Next, you'll set parameters for your transaction. For now, let's focus on how to input a conditional buy, and we'll cover conditional sale after. The first parameter you'll input is the conditional price for your transaction. The conditional price is the price in US dollars which you want to execute the transaction at, if the assets were to reach that price. Let's use an example. Let's say you go to a grocery store to buy apples, but apples are $2.15. You tell the store manager that you would like to buy apples if their price goes down to $2. In this example, $2 is the conditional price. Next, you'll input the purchase up to amount, which is the amount of your funds that will be used to purchase the asset. This amount is in US dollars. Let's use our previous example. The store manager asks you, how much would you buy if apples were $2? You might be tempted to say 10 apples, but in this case, the store manager would say, I need that amount in dollars. So you would instead say $20 worth of apples. Rather than saying 10 apples, you would say the amount in dollars. Relating it back to our software platform, you'll input the amount in dollars that you want to purchase up to. You can review your conditional transaction by clicking the Review dropdown. Once finished, click on Submit Conditional Buy if you're ready to place your conditional transaction. You'll now receive a confirmation pop-up that will allow you to once again confirm your transaction. This is your chance to cancel if you made a mistake, change your mind, or no longer wish to place the conditional transaction. By selecting Confirm, you agree to place the transaction. Click OK to exit back to your dashboard. Now, let's cover conditional sales. The process for placing a conditional sale is almost exactly the same as a conditional buy, with one key difference. If you'd like to conditionally sell assets you already own within the platform, you'll proceed through setting the conditional price and sell up to amount, just as you would in a buying situation. However, when you're ready to input a funding amount, you'll input the amount of tokens you'd like to sell up to if the transaction were executed. This sell up to amount is in tokens rather than USD. To relate it back to our Apple analogy, you will now be telling the store manager that you'd like to sell up to 10 apples, rather than selling $20 worth of apples. Just to recap, when you're buying, the purchase up to amount will be in USD. When you're selling, the sell up to amount will be in tokens. The rest of the process is the same, with the button now stating Submit Conditional Sell. After confirming, you can select OK to navigate back to your dashboard. To manage your transactions, navigate through your account homepage to the Manage Open Transactions tab. You may cancel your conditional transactions at any time unless they've already been executed. You may also view your conditional transaction history within the History tab on your account homepage. We hope we successfully educated you on how to use conditional transactions on the iTrustCapital platform. If you have additional questions or need assistance, do not hesitate to contact us through our support page or give us a call. Our team is here to help.